What's going on? Listen, before I talk about this food, I want to mention Peg Flow 63. She was the closest to guessing ingredients I buy most of the time at the store. She said avocados, peppers, and bean sprouts. Very, very close, Peg Flow 63. Actually, it's avocados, peppers, and onions. Peppers and onions right there. Now, avocado, I didn't put it in this dish, but I'm certain if you take it and mix it up and, mince them up a little bit and squash it a little bit, mix a little bit into this dish. Once on your plate, it might be really, really tasty. But I tell you what, instead of using organic ground beef, this time I use organic chicken thighs. And I've also got organic pinto beans in here. I soaked them overnight. That way the lectins don't bother your stomach. The lectins have been broken down. And also, Delightful Me, she said that she's never had cucumbers cooked before. I'll tell you what, if you cook them, put them in the last few moments. That way they don't get soggy and they still stay crunchy and tasty. And I've also got some radish in here and some other tasty things too. Try this out. I've got Cameron in the background singing Candy. Well, this is my candy for right now. Enjoy.